Man, free Vinci, man. Free Vinci, free Dread. Free the guys.
Free them boys.
Man, you already know all we coming this season. Hey, let's get it. He was doing all that well, capping on the gram. I could get him whacked, doubling back. Ayy, that's just a bad habit. When you in this field, you gotta keep a ratchet. She could get tragic. 30 in a drum. I ain't chillin' with no cop-outs. Fam thought I'd be a high school dropout. I'm quick to rock out. What you know about kicking doors? Got my shooters on go. Really coming through your door. Better hit the flow. Empty that clip. Ayy, reload. Vinci by my side. Ayy, that's my ride or die. Steady fucking up the eye. Interstate 9 to 5. I ain't never wanna work no 9 to 5, but I'm clutching on the 4-5. Yeah, family always told me lies. I ain't never switch lanes. Got older, realized everybody ain't the same. I was in the trap all night. What was you doing watching Nick at night? Steady praying on my downfall. I just wanted to catch a flight. I was on the block all night. Like I said before, you was watching Nick at night. Bitch, I'm steady stacking. Why your man's really always lacking? No, we ain't pistol packing. Run with that action. Got my shooters on commando. I'ma up that fucking boat. Let that shit blow. Man, I got that blow. It was really white as snow. Got it for the low. Dope fiend hit my line. Say he need that 3.5. Let me get that shit ready. Another one hit my phone. Really talking about some fatty. Just like Little Caesars, bitch, I'm hot and I'm ready. Smoking on that man Freddy. I ain't with all that hating shit. I'ma give him the bird. I ain't talking about no Rio. 2 bad bitches with me. What's that make a motherfucking trio? I was on the block late night, window poking. Boy said he was down the slide. Got to acting scary. I'ma laugh at him like a joke. Bitch, I am the joker. Sipping on that codeine, hoping I don't doze over. Wanna hit the jeweler, bitch, I'm froze over. Got my Z's in the cut, and you know I'm tooled up. Riding through the city with a big 4-5 tucked in my motherfucking waistline. Please do not waste my time, bitch. Call me perfect timing, cause bitch, I'm steady grinding. May have to get the rewinding. Bitch, I'm shining, and I'm going dumb. I done hit a TD, I done hit a chase. Just like TK, I'ma do that fucking race. What about them charges that I'm really finna face? Why you think when I eat I gotta say my grace? Bitch, I'm running up the bag. I ain't never had a brag. Getting shit I thought I never had. Ain't you kinda glad you was doubting the kid? You kept praying on his downfall. You ain't wanna see him ball, wanna see him eating up in the lion's den. Ain't it? Ain't that's what's all?